Looking to make money on Amazon without the hassle of selling products? Well, you're in luck. We'll go over in this video 3 easy methods to cash in on Amazon's vast platform without ever needing to sell a single product, not even one. Now, whether you're a beginner looking to just dip your toes into Amazon's lucrative opportunities, or if you're a seasoned entrepreneur seeking a new income stream, then these methods are sure to pique your interest. So stay tuned to discover how you can start on Amazon today. Welcome back to the Next Level Life Hacks, where we take the next steps needed to grow towards our financial freedom and success. Thank you for clicking on this video. I highly appreciate the fact that you have given me your support and that you have tuned in to hear what I have to say on this topic. So we are going to look at first and foremost why we should choose Amazon, any at all, to do business through. The very first reason that we're going to be looking at is the access to a very large customer base. Now, Amazon has a vast customer base with millions of active users worldwide. Now look at just the Prime membership statistics. There are 230 million active subscribers. That's a vast marketplace that is ready and able to make use of your services. The second reason is the increased visibility that you are going to get on Amazon. Now, Amazon's marketplace is highly visible, both on the Amazon website and in the search engine results. The increased visibility can help you to attract new customers and to increase your sales. Let's look at the trust and credibility that Amazon also has. Amazon has been around from 1994. How long is that? 94, 2004, 2014, 2024. That's 30 years of service in business in total. That's high credibility. They actually went public in 1997, 3 years after being started. What does that say to you as well? Once a company goes public, it means that their level of accountability has drastically increased. At least it must increase, because now you have stakeholders that you have to report to, and you have to make sure that it is profitable to keep those stakeholders interested. The global reach of Amazon is outstanding. Amazon operates in 18 countries across the world, and it has customers in more than 200 countries worldwide. That's a vast marketplace that you would not have access to if you were restricted to a box just in your community. Having a brick and mortar structure, you would have nowhere that reach. Right? The other thing that gives credibility to things on Amazon are the reviews. Persons purchase services or products on Amazon based on what previous persons have said about that product or service. You know it yourself. Once you identify a product on Amazon that you're interested in, probably the very first thing you're going to look at is what are other persons saying about the reviews. Reviews play a critical part in persons' buying decision. Therefore, you have the opportunity to hear what others are saying about this item before you purchase. So that is the credibility and the trust that Amazon has as well. The next thing that we're going to be diving into is why not sell products on Amazon, and why are we looking for an alternative? I can tell you from personal experience that establishing a listing on Amazon and then getting the sales for that item is extremely tedious. It takes a long time for you to establish the product, the steps you have to go through. Let's backtrack even before that. You have to source the product. Sourcing the product from Alibaba or AliExpress, tussling with vendors, getting the right price, not being able to walk into a store to even see if this person or this business is trustworthy. You have to be relying on certain signals or certain features of a provider to know if they are creditable and they are worthy of purchasing from. After you get those products, then you have to worry about shipping them to Amazon. Then there can be exorbitant fees for their FBA program, which is the Fulfilled by Amazon program, that can have you earning very limited profit. So if you have an opportunity to bypass those steps of selling a product and move to other creative ways of utilizing the strategic benefits or the competitive advantages that the Amazon platform has to offer, then by all means take advantage of it. So the first alternative that we're going to be looking at is Merch by Amazon. And by the way, my viewers, if it is that I mention any of these services that you were never aware of before, put it in the comment box. Place Merch by Amazon if you have never heard of this platform before. So what is Merch by Amazon? Now, you have heard of print on demand and you have heard of Shopify, but Merch by Amazon offers you the same type of service, however with a much larger platform and a much larger customer base that is offered by Amazon. Now, the print on demand service that you can do through Merch on Demand allows designers to create and custom brand merchandise on different items such as t-shirts, hoodies, and other apparel that can be offered on Amazon.com. Now, here's how it works. Step one would be design creation. Now, designers can create original artwork or designs using graphic design software, and one such is Canva, that you can sign up for free and start creating your designs. The designs can be either text-based slogans or it can be intricate illustrations that can be placed on different items. Step two would be product selection, and that is to select the items that you, the designer, would like to place these designs on. The next step is just to upload and list these items on the Merch by Amazon platform. Now, designers can set whatever price they choose competitively based on what the other products are for on the platform, so that you can be guaranteed a reasonable profit. I personally recommend that you do the price penetration strategy, which is to look at the competitors on the platform and to slightly underprice them while you grow your customer base. And once you get your loyal customers, then you can slowly increase your price, because persons are now aware of the value that your product and your service has to offer. The next step is printing and fulfillment. And you don't have to worry, because Amazon takes care of this for you. So you as a designer can sit back and just do what it is that you are naturally good at, which is creation. So you create your design, select the items that they should be put on, list the products on the platform, and Amazon takes care of the rest. Amazon takes care of the customer service, the handling of payments, and it directs the payments to whatever payment option you select, whether it be to your bank account or to your PayPal, whatever you choose. Amazon also deals with the fulfillment of the orders, so they will pack and ship the items, and bear in mind that there is no inventory that you are carrying of these items, because the items are produced on demand, hence print on demand. Now remember, as I said before, as Amazon fulfills these orders, then you collect your sales and royalties as a designer. Now, Merch by Amazon is popular among designers, artists, and content creators who are just looking to monetize their creativity, which is a wise thing to do. If you have a skill, you need to monetize the skill. And creators get an opportunity to monetize their creativity without having to manage inventory or handle shipping. It allows them to reach Amazon's vast customer base and earn passive income through the sale of custom branded merchandise. The second alternative to making money on Amazon without selling products is Amazon Handmade. And remember, if you have never heard of any of these recommendations, to place them in the comment section. Now, Amazon Handmade is a platform that Amazon has available that allows artisans to sell their products, their handmade products, to a wide audience for the reasons that we mentioned before. it provides a way for artisans to showcase their unique handcrafted items and reach customers who are looking for one-of-a-kind products that would not readily be available elsewhere. Now, persons are always looking for those unique items for their household or for their possessions, and they are willing to pay a little bit more for these unique creations. Now, the steps are that artisans have to register on the platform. Now, there is a registration process that artisans have to go through to prove that their items are actually handmade and that they are not manufactured in mass production. A product listing has to be created for these handmade items, including photos, descriptions, pricing, and other relevant details that are pertinent for this item to be listed. Amazon Handmade offers tools and guidelines to help artisans create high-quality listings that can attract customers. Now, by and large, you will find that artisans prefer to just be left alone to create their artwork. They are not usually interested or inclined to handle the administrative functions like creating listings, finding customers, marketing, invoicing, receipting, and so on. Therefore, this is a good opportunity for artisans to expand their customer base while they are left to just do what they do best, which is to create handcrafted designs. Now, Amazon also handles order fulfillment. When a customer places an order for an artisan's product, Amazon handles the payment processing, the shipping, and also the customer service, which is very critical. Now, commissions and fees are charged by Amazon, and there is a referral fee for each sale that is made through the platform. Now, there are also other fees associated with selling on Amazon, such as a monthly subscription fee and fulfillment fees for using fulfillment services by Amazon. But remember that this also is optional, because an artisan can choose to handle their own shipping to the customers once Amazon notifies them that there is an order. Overall, Amazon Handmade provides artisans with a very much needed platform to sell their handmade products to millions of customers worldwide, offering a convenient and a very scalable way to grow the business and to reach new customers. What a better way there is for artisans to get out there and get their products showcased. The third option is Amazon Home Services. Tell me if you have ever heard of Amazon Home Services. Now, this is a platform provided by Amazon that allows customers to find and book local services such as house cleaning, furniture assembly, plumbing and electrical services. I know you have heard of other platforms as TaskRabbit, but I am almost sure that at least one of you have never heard of Amazon Home Services before. I had not known about it before starting to do the research for you, and I am amazed that Amazon offers these platforms outside of the goods that they offer for sale. Now, here's how it works. Just as the other service platforms, a service provider will go on Amazon Home Services, and that is kind of tricky to pronounce. Amazon Home Services, Amazon Home Services. Say that 5 times without stopping and see how you do. Now, a service provider will go on the platform and create a listing for the service that they have to offer, whether it be the plumbing or electrical services or furniture assembly. You will offer a rate for the service that you are providing. Similarly as well, you will look at what competitors and their reviews ratings are charging for similar services and make sure that you are competitively priced. After you create your listing, then Amazon handles the rest. Customers will search the platform just as how they search the platform for products, and they will browse through the wide range of services that are available on the platform. Now, once a customer finds a service that they would like to be performed, then they will book through the Amazon platform, and that appointment will be sent directly to you, the service provider. Customers can also add additional services, or they can customize their appointment based on their needs. That's very good for the provider. The customer also selects the best day and time for the service provider to come out to them to perform the task. Once this is agreed upon, the service provider simply goes out and makes the appointment and has the job done. After the service is completed, the payment is processed through Amazon, ensuring a secure way of conducting transactions. Customers can also leave reviews for the service that has been provided so that other persons can get an idea as to the quality of the service being offered by each provider. It is therefore very critical that you provide the best service possible so that you can get high reviews and increase your earning potential through this platform. Now, Amazon Home Services aims to provide customers with a convenient and reliable way to find and book local services, while also helping service providers to reach a much wider audience and to grow their business. Now, tell me, my viewers, did you know of all of these services that are also provided through the Amazon platform? Now, if it is, as I said before, you were not aware of any one of them, just place it in the comment section so that I can at least know that I made you aware of something that you never knew before. Now, as usual, my friends, if you found at least one area of this content to be beneficial for you, please subscribe, please like, and please share with others so that they can also be aware of things that we have to offer on this channel. I highly appreciate the fact that you have subscribed, and hey, if you have not yet subscribed, it's free of cost. It costs you nothing. It takes approximately 4 seconds. Do it right now. Subscribe, like, comment, share, and see you in the next video.